Let me call a lifestyle show.
That's it, like, oh, Binia show. Oh, those who don't kill their husband, all right, this property is not for sale.
What do you think you're ready for this lifestyle? I'll kill you for this down. You know, say, I don't ready now. You don't wear skirt before. With all your mouth, say, everybody, have you worn skirt? I don't fancy you one.
Wait, Papi.
Eh?
Is that like say they join your skirt too?
Because when they swam, as I wear a face, I call the same way I rasta. Now that they extend on my back.
Mommy, you don't see what you born no. My anger no be say in don't grow they successful. Now when you born a man, waiting you sing. The thing where you give us papa. Now in where we they bring guns. You don't know say the animal.
One girl speak one English yesterday. Kata come off my ear. For my life, I never heard that English. I don't know. By mistake, I matched the girl. As much as she looked me, he said, "Do you know who I'm, mom?" I said, "Eh?" He said, "Do you know who I'm, mom? Do you know who I'm, mom?" I don't know what I won't answer the girl. I said, "I'm mom." Last week Sunday, another one speak another English my church for catch fire. After service, the girl come outside. I didn't see her friend. He said, "Oh my God, Stacy, so you're churching in our church?" Stacy thinks saying a trending English. She carried the English go part 5. He said, "No, I'm not churching in your church. It's my friend that churches in your church that I came to church with. Tomorrow I will go back and church in my own church." As pastor here and pastor say, "Bia, 2 of you, church out." Hey, my God, I beg who they show love, make them show love, make them they spread the money. I keep telling people I don't have family problem. Now maybe the problem of the family. And if you want to spray money, spray me currency where we know. Last time when I come this Transcorp, one man give me one currency. Till today. We don't know the country where get that money. Each time you say the country name na Fumbao. I check the world map, no country like Fumbao. I check the round earth, flat earth, firmament. No. Any aboki who I show the money, they show me knife. I enter transport since 2. The only one we can change and 14 naira. Hey, I beg any police here. I know how they talk. The problem no be to talk the joke, not to go house. I don't do one place. I have one policeman. Everybody they laugh. The man no laugh. Only the man they giggle. Time to go. I see 2 smaller police on top of my bonnet. They say, "My friend, I use a comedian inside." I say, "Yes." They say, "We are the comedian outside." You know frog jump? Oh? I say, yes. They say, "Just the frog they go." Where they do frog jump? People will come to show they go house. They say, "You are still performing here." You. Talking about police, I love American police. I never go na TV. I look at American police. They pamper criminal. For America, person die. They interrogate the suspect. They ask the man, "Mr. Man, did you kill your neighbor?" The man tell police, "Before I answer you, I want to smoke cigarette." Police give him a cigar. He smoke. Hey. They ask him again, "Did you kill your neighbor?" He tell police, "I want to drink coffee." Police ask him, "Milk or sugar?" He say, "Put the 2 and give me bread." Person dey police station chop money food. Finally, police ask him, "Did you kill your neighbor?" The guy "I can't remember." American police give a complimentary card. "In case you remember, call me." One police station for Aje, the pressing iron. They don't plug on 2 weeks ago. Iron just dey hot for nothing. They don't ask the man anything. No. They just put the iron for his ear. But the man say, "Yeah, let me see the motor." Police say, "Not the motor, we define a small generator." Alright, let me just do this and I'll sign out. Please, can you put your hands together for the ushers in the house? For the ushers. Ushers, they try you. And I will they give ushers stress. They make their work very challenging. For all this Aje Baba church, usher go they direct you where you go sit down. Now, you want to sit down where our friend did. Aje Baba church, the usher they direct the woman. Do man do. Usher say. Do man do. Aje Baba usher, she no one problem. Okay, have your way. For Aje good. I saw the usher they stand. Usher look. Person say, usher like this. Person like this. Usher like this. The person like this. I ain't go sit down where I like, Usher go meet him. Come, go one punish you for this show. So me now be Usher, I don't know my work again. My brother. They say something. They say what a man can do. If a man can thief. Now the show one girl get to. The guy say anything when man fit do, she go do. I'm gonna ask her one question. I say if you use your piece, write your name for grand. She don't first understand. I say if you use your piece, write your name. The guy say yes, man, I do my own. If I do my own, she go do her own. I just go do the same man the whole piece. Press the cap. Piece go stop. My name Aje Baba with my piece. I write A for grand. I stop him. I couldn't look my fine A. I come again. I write J. I come up. I put full stop. Boom. I come again. I write E. I stop him. I write B. I write A. I write another B. I write the last A. The remaining piece I do 3 full stop. Boom. Boom, boom. The last piece I take and draw line. The girl name na Veronica. He say, no be name die. If I do V, I see one stop and piece full everywhere. He say Chimo. She do E I tell me say Mozipu. And when I look for ground, she don't draw big aeroplane.
Papi.
Let me call her lifestyle issue.
That's it. They're like old Binia show. Those who don't kill their husband, all right, this property is not for sale.
Buddy, you think you're ready for this lifestyle? I'll kill you for this down. You know, see, I don't ready now. You don't wear skirt before. With all your mouth, say, everybody, have you worn skirt? I don't fancy you do am.
Wait to Papi.
Eh?
Is that like say they join your skirt too?
Because when they swam, as I wear her face, I call the same way I rasta. Now that they really extend now my bag.
Mommy, you don't see what you born no. My anger no be say in don't grow they successful. Now when you born a man, waiting you sing. The thing where you give us papa, now in where we they bring guns. You don't know say the animal.
Come on, how balance they call you?
You cannot call lollipop. Sir, am I missing words? See what this man do chicken, sir, at your age.
How balance they don't whisper to Bob. The only problem we get is a Bob.
Oh boy, hold on. You don't get tell me.
What is that?
Nothing.
Abuja, can you celebrate shotgun and MC Bob?
Amen, Papi. We're going to need security now. I don't know, maybe any security operative, come with your CV behind. Let's see.
Thank you so much, my brothers.
I told you guys that you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.